How to open HEIC files on iPhone is a common query among users encountering compatibility issues or seeking efficient ways to access their image files seamlessly. This guide aims to provide clear and concise instructions on effectively opening HEIC files on iPhones. Part 1. Brief overview of the HEIC file format. HEIC High-Efficiency Image Format is an advanced file format developed by MPEG, aimed at storing high-quality images with smaller file sizes than traditional formats like JPEG. Part 2. How to open HEIC files on iPhone. Method 1. Using the Photos app. Open the HEIC file from your email or file manager. It'll launch in Photos on your iPhone. Browse through it using the Photos app. Method 2. Opening HEIC files from Messages or Email. Open Messages or Email app on iPhone. Find the message or email with the HEIC file. Tap to open the file. It'll open in Photos. Browse through the file using Photos app. Method 3. Using File Manager apps. Download a file manager app like Files, Documents, or File Explorer from the App Store. Open the app and go to where the HEIC file is saved. Tap on the file to open it. It'll open in Photos. Browse through it there. Method 4. Converting HEIC to JPEG format. If you're facing compatibility issues with HEIC files and can't see HEIC photos on iPhone, converting them to JPG or JPEG format is a reliable solution. Mobikin HEIC to JPG Converter is specifically designed for this purpose. How to convert HEIC to JPG or JEP or PG with HEIC to JPG Converter. Download and install HEIC to JPG Converter on your computer. Connect your iPhone or iPad if needed. Open the software and add your HEIC images. In conversion settings, select JPG or JEP or N, adjust quality, and check Keep EXIF data. Click Convert to start. Afterward, you can access HEIC files on your Windows PC.